In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create interactive links in PowerPoint. By the end, you'll be able to click text, shapes, or images in your slides and jump to another slide, open a website, or launch an email, perfect for menus, dashboards, or more dynamic presentations. Start by launching Microsoft PowerPoint and opening the presentation you want to enhance. If you're following along, open a slide that has something you want to make clickable. You can use a piece of text, a shape like a button, an image, or even an icon. Click once to select the object or drag to highlight the exact text you want to turn into a link. Keep in mind that only what's selected will become interactive, so be precise. Next, open the link menu. The fastest way is to right-click the selected object and choose link or hyperlink, depending on your version. You can also go to the Insert tab on the ribbon and click Link. If you're a shortcut fan, many versions support Ctrl+K or Command+K to open the same dialog. In the dialog box, you'll choose the type of link you want. Place in this document lets you link to another slide in the current presentation. Existing file or web page links out to a website or a file on your computer or network. Email address sets up a link that opens your default mail app with a new message. Think about the experience you want for your viewers, then pick the option that fits. To build interactive navigation within your deck, choose Place in this document. You'll see a list of your slides, often with their titles, to make selection easy. Click the slide you want to jump to, then confirm with OK. During your slideshow, clicking that object will take you directly to the target slide, which is great for table of contents slides or branching pathways. To link to a website, choose existing file or web page. In the address field, paste or type the full URL, including HTTPS. Click OK to save it. When someone clicks that object in slideshow mode, PowerPoint will open the page in the default browser. Remember, you'll need an internet connection, and some systems may show a security prompt for external links. Always test your links. Press F5 to start the slideshow, or Shift plus F5 to play from the current slide, and click the linked object to make sure it behaves as expected. If you need to make changes later, right-click the object and choose Edit Link to update the destination, or Remove Link to clear it completely. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.